So one of the things that I do when I'm out there that's actually sort of a hobby is I have a camera that I stick on the outside of our fence that it's called a camera trap, and it's motion sensitive and heat sensitive. And basically anytime an animal walks by, it snaps a picture of them. And so these are pictures of some of the animals that we've seen just around our camp. So we've got an African hare. In the upper right, that's a little animal called a dik-dik. It's this tiny little antelope that's only this tall. In the bottom left, that's a mongoose. In the bottom right, those are some guys called spur fowl. You can actually see they have like spurs off their ankles, and they use those for fighting with each other. This is an animal called a genet. So it's actually related to raccoons. It's sort of like the African version of a raccoon. What's this animal? Anyone? It's an elephant. Yeah, exactly. You can tell I put the camera kind of low, so like when the elephant's too close to the camera, I only get its trunk. So that was a jackal. Here you can see actually what the jackal looks like, the black-backed jackal. So some of the animals that come by the camera can see the camera and hear it, and they're very curious about it, so they stick their snoot up in the camera, so we get to see them close up. A lion. A porcupine. African porcupines. I don't know if you guys have seen those before. They're quite big. Like one quill is like this long. This is also similar to an ocelot. This is a cat called a serval cat. They have really tall ears. They have them at the Lincoln Park Zoo, and they're known for jumping. So they forage in tall grass, and they go through the grass, and then they like jump up in the air and spring down on mice and stuff that they find in the grass. So cool.